Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. West Ishpeming is a small community in Marquette County in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, located just west of the city of Ishpeming. It is considered part of Ishpeming Township and has a population of roughly 2,000 people. Like much of the surrounding area, West Ishpeming sits among forested hills and rocky terrain. The community offers a quiet, residential setting with close access to the region's natural beauty. The history of West Ishpeming is closely tied to the iron mining industry that defined this part of Michigan in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Following the discovery of iron ore in the region in 1844, mining operations expanded quickly across Marquette County. As mines developed near Ishpeming, nearby areas like West Ishpeming grew to support workers and their families. Housing, small businesses, and local services emerged to serve the growing population connected to the mines. As mining activity declined in the 20th century, West Ishpeming, like many nearby communities, transitioned away from its industrial roots. While some mining operations continued in the broader region, the local economy gradually shifted towards services, small businesses, and regional employment opportunities. Today, West Ishpeming offers a peaceful environment with easy access to outdoor recreation. The surrounding forests, trails, and lakes provide opportunities for hiking, fishing, and snowmobiling. In winter, the region is known for its heavy snowfall, making it a popular location for cross-country skiing and other cold weather activities. West Ishpeming may be small, but it reflects the broader story of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Its development was shaped by natural resources, hard work, and cultural diversity. Today, it remains a quiet and steady community where the legacy of the past blends with the rhythms of modern life in a distinctly northern setting. Thanks for watching!